video we're looking at twirls, chaining our twirls together and doing some impact training with them. As you can see, Kev's in the chamber position, so he can do some nice left to right, right to left swings. We can go for upward strikes and downward strikes from the figure of 8 position. We can chain them together and we can go through transitioning into helicopter strikes. What we're going to do is make these flow together, have a target to hit, and if we miss the target, we're going to carry on and go for another hit until we get the target.
As you can see on this live video I'm going to show you, this is dangerous. We was using a little bit of force, but not a lot. It is quite easy to catch your partner's hand, and it does cause a lot of damage.
If you fancy having a go, make sure your partner is very comfortable with what you're doing.
And willing.
And don't use your nice cane, use a dojo cane, because if you drop it, Kevin, you're going to damage it, especially on this hard surface outside. Yep, cool.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, slow to start with, make sure your partner knows exactly what you're doing and that you can sense at all time.
Also be aware of your environment and what's around you, as well as who's around you.
We did this outside because we've got low lights here and we've got some walls and we really don't want to start putting dents in things again.
Right, you know what to do by now. Do the what's it down there.
Yeah, smash that, hit that, free that.